we're in our own Discovery Channel.
So here we are, Lake Opeongo, Algonquin Park. Came in here for a day trip today, so just loaded the kayaks, some food, some munchies, a couple beverages, and we're going to see how far we can get in. A couple hours. And relax, make lunch, and then head back. So, well, look at this. Isn't this pretty? Love the sounds of it. Just a little stream coming through. That's pretty awesome. There's a campsite right next to here too, which is awesome. You get nice, beautiful sounds of water all night long. I like it. Nice steep drop off so you can hug the shore. Oh, you can smell it. Smell the wilderness. Another stream. Let's go check it out. Woohoo! Pretty awesome. Just water flowing in different directions, little streams, little rivers, babbling brooks, little creeks. Water's gotta go somewhere, right? Alright, let's make some time. We only rounded, I think, the second corner now. I've noticed about 5 campsites. So we finally found Bates Island, so that's the island straight ahead. It took us by kayak, just cruising, we weren't really pushing it. 30 minutes, almost 2 kilometers from the access point. And we're going to round it on the left side, and we want to go, if we can make it for time-wise, to the swamp area. Maybe we can see some moose coming out, and wildlife. We heard that there's also bald eagles in that area. So if we can get there, maybe we can smoke them out. So we're still firing away here. We're on the west side of Lake Opeongo. It's like a cool campsite here, right on one of the points. You get through Bates, if you look, you're going to see a couple points on the left side of the lake. This is one of the very first ones. Looks like there's a nice site up there, lots of sun. And we're going to be heading to that point, straight across over there. And on the other side of that, we want to hit a swampy area, a river. It's called Graham Creek. And we're going to go see if we can spot some moose back there and find a spot to make some lunch. To the left, this is just another bay. And there's a portage over there too, to Marmot Lake. Inside the bay there's no sights, but there is at both points. Ladies and gentlemen, I see some blue sky. I see blue sky. Where's the sun? Where's the sun? Come on, Opeongo. Show us some sun. How do you do the Indian call? Do the Algonquin call. Come on, Opeongo. I think the sun's starting to point. Oh, there it is. It's listening to me. We got some sun, ladies and gentlemen. We got some sun. It's nice, been overcast all day today. Yesterday it rained all day, thunderstorm last night. Lots of water. And finally we were able to get on the kayaks today. We've been waiting for a few days. And we are here. Right now, in the moment, loving life. Not on our televisions. Flicking the channels, watching Discovery Channel. Because we are in our own Discovery Channel. So we're at that second point I was telling you about. Looks like a pretty neat campsite on here too. This whole shelf all the way down is full of campsites. Somewhere on the point maybe. Look, there's a memorial up here. Weird, it's up here in loving memory of Ray H. Donnelly, drowned May 15th, 1959, age 29 years. Huh. Wow. What's the date today? May 13th or so? May 14th? Wow. Tomorrow is the anniversary of his death. This site looks pretty awesome. I don't know if we're going to stop here or we're going to keep carrying on. I know that we want to get around the point over there, so that way we can hit that swamp area. Sure. So we're on the west side of Lake Opeongo. I think I already mentioned the side, or west side of it, whatever. And we are past Marmot Lake Portage. It's on the other side. We go in. Right at the end, there should be a river. It's Marmot Lake. Goes to Marmot Lake. Here's that point, that first point is just behind me here. And there's another little point here. There should be two campsites there. So what I'll do is when you get there, I'll point out just so you know the distance. And from here, we actually been traveling. We've been moving for an hour and 5 minutes. Total distance is 5.25 kilometers. This location right here. I'm using Sport Tracker. So I track all of the paddles. If you want the actual link, I can send it. What's that? No, there's two more sites right around this point here. I think those are the two very last sites until the marsh area. If you want, we can go right up there and eat a quick lunch, and then carry on right to the marsh right after that. What do you think? So there's two right side by side, so we'll just pick the best site. Says the map. The Philly just doesn't want to end. Did they go to game 7 with New York? I think they did. I don't remember. Montreal game tonight, game 7! Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole. I think I'm scaring away all the wildlife. So we just rounded the tip, and on the back side there is one site right here, and there should be one just after this. So I don't know if it's right at the other tip over there, or if it's somewhere in the middle. The map is not really indicating that to me right now. So that tip right there looks pretty promising to me. So just to give a little time frame here, just give you an idea if you're planning a trip. If you want to get to the north arm, that's straight ahead over there. It probably looks far on the GoPro, but to me it looks maybe about a kilometer and a half. And to be where we are right now, the access point, I think I mentioned it a few minutes ago, maybe just over an hour, I think. So assuming to get there, you're looking at maybe an hour and a half, going approximately 5 kilometers an hour. It's not that bad. I know a lot of people are taking those boat taxis and putting their canoes on the top, because they don't want to go through the big lake. I'm sure when it's rough you don't want to touch it, but if it's calm like today, this is a breeze, it's kind of a joke. It's a nice, easy, peaceful paddle. Nice sights, lots of birds. Not so many loons. I think it's a little bit early for them. We haven't seen as many of them yet. So here it is. This looks like lunch. This looks good, eh? This looks really good. I'm gonna yak right around. See if there's a landing spot on the other side with no rocks. This is wicked right here. This is an awesome site right here. Nice, beautiful morning sun. Be nice and bright here. Should have brought our sleeping bags. Yeah, we can't miss the Montreal game.